Keep these tips in mind to help you put in a strong offer once you find the right one. Number 1, know your budget. Knowing your budget and what you can afford is critical to your success as a home buyer. Number 2, lean on a real estate professional. As conditions in the housing market moderate today, it's especially important to rely on a trusted real estate advisor. As Freddie Mac says, the success of your home buying journey largely depends on the company you keep. Be sure to select experienced, trusted professionals who will help you make informed decisions and avoid any pitfalls. Number 3, make a strong but fair offer. As the peak intensity of demand is cooling this year, the number of homes sold over asking price is decreasing, but you still need to be prepared to come in with your best offer up front because inventory is still low overall, and that makes it a seller's market. Lean on your agent to help you understand the current market value of the home you're interested in and recent sales trends in the area so you can craft your best offer. Number 4, be a flexible negotiator. When putting together an offer, your trusted real estate advisor will help you consider which levers you can pull. Of course, there are certain contingencies you don't want to give up, like the home inspection. A home inspection contingency gives you the opportunity to have the entire home you'd like to purchase examined by a professional before you close on the contract. Without this contingency, you could be contracted on a house you can't afford to fix. It's still a seller's market today, just a more moderate one. The video on the screen now shows you why now is the best time to sell your home today. Go check it out.